Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Today's topic, I have Honda Insight. This vehicle has a problem with ABS. Look at the dashboard. We have the ABS light here. Even on the dashboard, there is a ABS warning light. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. The first thing, I have the auto machine here. Let me show you. The auto machine, according to diagnostic data, it says that we have a problem with the left front wheel speed sensor circuit malfunction. Then we have left front speed sensor signal malfunction. Then we have battery voltage. So 13.1, 14.1 and 61.1. So according to that information, we are going to find out the main problem. We're going to the left front speed sensor to check the reason why it has a fault. And before we go that, the reason why I like the auto machine is that, you know, the auto machine is the best than launcher machine. And this is the reason why I like the auto machine. It always has a solution or service manual. So for example, the number one, left front wheel speed sensor circuit malfunction, it has service manual here. Let me click on service manual. The 1301 left front wheel speed sensor circuit malfunction. Possible failures, according to the machine, number one is signal line open, the open circuit. Yeah. Number two, the signal line short. We have a short line or short circuit on that line. Then the final, the sensor failure. Those are three possible causes. Just why I like the auto machine. It always give you a hint on how to diagnose that thing. That's why the auto machine is always the best. So let's go and find out the reason why it has a problem with the left front speed sensor. This is the front left speed sensor. Look at it. I see it has a problem with open circuit. So I'm going to join that wire that has been open, but I'm not going to show you that video right now because of the length of the video. So look at it. This is how I have done. Let me place everything and clear, erase the memory. If it doesn't work, I will replace with a new ABS sensor. So see, let me go back, making sure everything is intact. You put ignition on. See everything's okay. So the another thing, we need to clear that code in the system. So left front, ignition on, engine off. So here, code has been successfully erased. Turn ignition off. Turn ignition on. Read code. So I see everything's okay. Let me start the vehicle. Everything is perfect. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.